Welcome back in, mama, to the last week of the postpartum rebuild. That means I'm going to push you today to the next level because you are ready to get back in those heels, ready to start choreography, ready to get back to strength training. You are ready, mama. And if you don't feel ready, repeat this series as much as you want to, okay? Let's warm up. Round the head. Get the knees up. All knees should be up. Let's take it side to side. Knees out. Booty down as low as you can go. And two. Give me hips. Squeeze that core. Good job. Take it down as low as you can go. Keep that core tight. Good job. Push it out. And we're just warming up, mama. And two. Go ahead and take it up. Breathe. Move them hips. Good job. Take it back to the top corner. Round the head. Good job. We're going to do one more of these. Side step. Good job. Give me those hips. Take it down. Squeeze that core. Push it out. Good job. We just warming up. Good job, mama. Good job. All right, you all. We are going to go into some heel lifts. So go ahead and put those feet parallel. We're going to just go up to our toes. We call them releves. Exactly. 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2. Core is tight. 3, 4. Booty is tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Gotta warm up those ankles, those feet, even if we're not in heels, because we're preparing ourselves for whatever transition you go into, okay? So we want to go ahead and open up to first position. That's when your heels are what? Kissing. Exactly. Let's go up. Releve. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Core tight. 8. Booty tight. 9, 10. Good job, mama. Shake it out. 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 All right, sister. Let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to have a great time. I hope you're ready. Remember to breathe and remember to use everything that we've learned from the beginning of this series. All right, let's get into it. Welcome back in, mama, to week 6. This is our last week, so we got to have that confidence up, those shoulders down, and close those ribs, all right? We're going to come in with a sway. You're ready for this, mama. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Use those arms. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good job, mama. We got hip dip. 1. Good job. Squeeze that core down. Good job. Core. Make sure you squeeze some glutes when you come up. Squeeze. We got 4 more, mama. Let's go. 1, 2. Core engage. 3. Shake your core. 4. Quick step. Arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, you should be on yours. Still swaying those hips, core closed and engaged, shoulders down. Good job, mommy. Good job. If that hair ain't down, let it down. My hair down, you let yours down. Come on. We're going to come in with 16 small squats. Pay attention to how low I go. Let's get it. 16. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got knee touch. 15. Fast. You got it. Keep it stiff. 1. Let's go. Keep it stiff, mama. Keep that core engaged. Keep it engaged. We're about to slow it down. And slow right here. And knee. Knee, core engaged. Knee. Good job. Knee. Get that knee up as much as you can. Knee. 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 Good job. Go ahead and clap it up for yourself, mama. Before we end off, let's do 5 deep breaths just to end it off right here, okay? Breathe in. Release. Breathe in. Release. Breathe in. Release. 2 more, breathe in. Release. Breathe in. Release. Amazing job, mama. Clap it up for yourself one more time. Thank you so much for joining this week 6 of the Postpartum Rebuild. You already know what's next. We got to stretch. Let's end it off. You're constantly sampling my workouts on YouTube, and there is a full app where you can get structured series from point A to point Z and everything you need, okay? On YouTube, you're getting bits of pieces, but if you want to stay there, by all means, stay there. But I'm telling you, the app is where you need to be, so go ahead and click the link in any of my bios. That's YouTube, that's TikTok, or Instagram, or our community page, HIS Ambitious Girl on Instagram. You can find the full access to the app anywhere. So go ahead and dive in and don't hesitate, because this is your home, all right? And guess what? If you join now, that $14.99 price will lock forever. I will never take it up on you. We're currently working on our official app launch on the Apple and Google Play Store, and that price is going to be different. But if you join now, I will never take that $14.99 price up on you, all right? See you. Mama, I don't know about you, but as I'm watching this video, I said 10 out of 10, okay? 10 out of 10. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. Recording this series has taught me a lot. Just about postpartum, our mindset, our mental, the fogginess that we have, and even just simply having faith in a season that you don't know what the work will do. I don't know what recording this series will do in the long run, but I'm so glad that I did it. And honestly, along the way, it showed me that we have the ability. We are able to do anything we put our minds to set out time, to finish projects. We are able to say that we want more, to dream. In a podcast recently, he said, life is about exploring. Because at the end of the day, there are no happy endings. Meaning that, of course, at the end of the day, we all have to go, right? So he said, in the midst of living our lives, we have to just experience life. If you want to try a new skill, try it. If you want to go back to school and learn something, do it. If you want to start a project, become an entrepreneur, do it. He was like, one day just go door to door and try to sell something, because life is about experiencing, building our character, pouring into our children or someone else that we love. That's life. So I encourage you, as you take on your next milestone, that you continue to experience, you continue to find joy in what you like to do, mama. I love you so much, and I hope to see you all in person. Whoever comes across this series, I hope that you all are enjoying the app. Feel free to reach out to me or any of the coaches for anything that you need, and we bet to see you at one of our events, okay? Come in and say, I did the postpartum rebuild. All right, mama. Love you, and I'll see you in your next training. Heels and Fitness, or if you're feeling up to it, the Body Burn Challenges. See you soon.